Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Radha Devidasi with an Ekadashi special recipe. Today we will make Ekadashi biryani full of vegetables with amazing flavors. So let's get started. Here I have taken 1 cup sama rice or varai. Add water and rinse this sama rice 2 to 3 times to remove any impurity. I have rinsed it well. Now we will make biryani. Take a vessel or pan, add 2 cups of water, add half teaspoon senda salt. Here I have dried the sama rice. Let's add it. Further add 1 teaspoon oil and give it a mix. Now cover it with a lid. It will take 10 minutes to cook, so do stir in between. After 10 minutes, let's check. The sama rice has cooked well. Let it cool, then only we will mix it, or else the hot sama rice will become mushy and we won't get a fluffy biryani. After half an hour, now let's mix the sama rice once. I have cooled it completely. You can see it is so fluffy and it's not mushy at all. Next, heat some oil in a kadai. First, let's fry 2 tablespoons of cashew till they turn golden. You can see now the color has changed. Let's take them out. In the same oil, I will fry 200 grams of cubed paneer. We will fry it till they turn golden in color. After 5 minutes, you can see the color has changed. Now we will take it out as well. Further, let's fry 1 cup of threaded cabbage. If you do not eat cabbage in Ekadashi, you can skip it. Keep stirring continuously or else it might burn from a side. You can see the cabbage too has turned golden brown. Let's take it out. The vegetables that I will be adding are 2 carrots, 1 potato and 1 cup of cauliflower florets. If you do not eat cauliflower in Ekadashi, you can skip it. Next, take a kadai and heat 3 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seed and 2 bay leaves. And the vegetables. Mix all this well. Let's cover it with a lid and let them cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, let's stir it once. Now add 1 chopped capsicum. We add it later because it cooks faster than the rest 3 veggies. Mix it and cover it again with a lid and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, let's check. Give it a stir. Our vegetables are well cooked. Now add 1 tablespoon of ghee and add 3 tomatoes puree. Add senda salt as per your taste. Now mix this well till the ghee releases. It has been 5 minutes, the ghee has released and the tomatoes have also cooked well. Now we will add the fried paneer, 1 tablespoon freshly ground red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon freshly ground coriander powder and 1 teaspoon freshly ground garam masala. Mix this well. I have given the garam masala ingredients in the description box. It is mandatory to use freshly ground masalas only on Ekadashi. All these have mixed well. We will let it cook for a minute. After a minute, add the cooked sama rice. And give it a mix again. I have listed down all the ingredients in the description box below. You can refer it. It's mixed well. Now add 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves and combine it. Add in the fried cabbage and the fried cashew nuts. These both become very crispy. Our biryani is ready. Let's turn off the flame. Our Ekadashi special sama rice biryani is ready. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer to Lord Jagannath. Our Ekadashi special biryani is offered and ready. If you like bhoga recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any bhoga recipe. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol. Happy Ekadashi.